Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for its next day's important move and expected level. So in my previous video, I did mention the critical level that Nifty and Bank Nifty should hold if we want to see its rally to continue. So if you are with me on WhatsApp, let me just show you my WhatsApp update for today. So this is my today's WhatsApp update. So on 921, I mentioned that we may go long with a stop loss of 10,020 and a target of 10,060. This is for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. I mentioned that make a stop loss of 24680 and aim for a target of 24,800. So all the target got achieved simultaneously, and it was a quite good move. And if you made a position as soon as I recommended, you definitely made some money today. So now let's continue our analysis for the next day, and let us find out what are the levels we should look for and what is the overall market outlook is for tomorrow. So what I can see as far as option activity change is concerned, 9,900 to 10,300 is a level. So both the risk and reward are equally spread, 200 points on upside and 200 points on downside. So what I can see is I can see fresh bullish position at 10,150 and 10,300. So that is suggesting that market participants are expecting high levels, and the maximum change in open interest has also taken place at a level of 10,300. So on a lower side, I can see that 9,900 to 10,000. I can see call short covering, though not aggressive, but it is good enough for our up move to sustain. So let us check what the put players are suggesting. So I can see that put are written quite aggressively at a level of 10,000, 10,100, and some sort of put writing aggressively is happening at 10,200. So all in all, put writing has happened, which is something that is suggesting stable to bullish market outlook. And participants are expecting higher levels because they have created and hold down to fresh bullish position made at a level of 10,150 to 10,300. So that is what option activity range was all about, and what is the and the analysis of outlook as per option activity range. Now let us come back and find out what are the levels that we should be aiming for, and how to trade Nifty and Bank Nifty for the tomorrow's day. So what I can see is I can see a bullish crossover getting formed in the MACD. Volatility has tried to come up, but now it is facing resistance at a high level, so it is also getting down. So remember, volatility getting down and up move both are going hand in hand, so that is something that we can expect that bullish move to continue. Further, I mentioned that if you see RSI hitting level of 61.80, you can definitely going to see a huge up move, and that's what market did today. RSI hit 61.80, and now it is closed above, closed at a level of 63.84. Now let us check the resistance level. So a bit of a resistance is we can see at this level of RSI. So here you can check, you can see that there is some sort of resistance at this level. So that is the reason I mentioned that we should not go long and wait for the move to continue. MACD is suggesting a bullish crossover. We can see that the prices has rejected at a lower level, and then it continued its up move. So we can also see that the market has closed above its crucial resistance, where that is placed at 10,080 level. So that is also something good that we can expect market we can expect in a bullish market. So now if this level that market has achieved holds, you can definitely expect a level of 10,116, and if at all finally it goes further higher, you can definitely see 10,130. So 10,130 is our final target on a long side, and if you see some sort of resistance or down move from this level, you can definitely book your profit if you are holding if you are only trading with one lot. So that was my analysis for Nifty. Now let's find out what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So as far as option activity range is concerned, 24,300 to 25,500 or 25,100 is the option activity range. 24,300, 25,100. So 300 points on upside and 500 points on downside. So let us analyze what these moves are suggesting. So what I can see here, it's 25,100. I can see a call writing happening, so that is something market participants are are very much clear about the 25,100. They are not expecting market to go in this series, so that is why even after this bullish move we can see call writing at that level. For the 24,800 to 25,000, all the strike prices has created a fresh bullish position, so that is something bullish, and that is something where we should definitely aim if we want to trade market at a high levels. At a lower level I can see the call short has been covered, so that is something, that is also something that is a bullish move. So 24,500 has seen maximum absolute number of change in open interest, and sentimental wise maximum change in also open interest has also happened at that level. So 24,500 it's strong support now, and you can expect Nifty Bank Nifty to trade above that level. At a put I can see that put are continuously return in a good amount, so maximum change in open interest has also happened at a level of 24,700, so that is near support level. So that is something market participants confidence, and that is also suggesting that market should trade at a high level. So all in all we can see option chain data are positive. We can see good amount of change in open interest being formed for stable to bullish market move. Now let us check and find out what are the levels we should aim for and what the indicators and moving averages are suggesting. So as you can see here, market did went up but volatility got down, so that is something good for the bullish players, and finally market was able to hold on to its gain that it generated in day's trade. Finally you can see that red line is also crossing above this 34 days exponential moving average, so that is something also also something that is nice for the bullish participants. Further I can see bullish crossover being continued at a lower level near zero line for MACD, so that is also something very nice for the bullish player. And RSI is also now trading at 62.90 above 61.80 level. So just let us just check the resistance line. So again RSI resistance is in place. So to summarize, both Nifty and Bank Nifty are suggesting to go higher, but RSI resistance are in place for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So for Bank Nifty I would suggest it should at least go to 24,880, and then it can if the RSI resistance comes into play, it will go down further. If it goes further high, you can definitely expect a level of 24,920. On a downside, again, 34 days exponential moving average will be good support for the market. And if you see some sort of rejection of lower prices at this level, you can definitely make a stop loss and go long with a target of nearby support, and resistance should be your target, support should be your stop loss. So that was my analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. As always guys, if you have liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you cannot miss any update. And uh, if you have any comment or any suggestion or any query, you can always mention in the comment section of the video. Thank you very much.